Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2018 Durango SRT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include trailer tow group 4 included, 7 and 4-pin wiring harness class 4 receiver hitch compact spare tire 20-inch x 6.5 inches aluminum spare wheel, technology group included, lane departure warning plus advanced brake assist full speed forward collision warning plus adaptive cruise control with stop blind spot and cross path detection, wheels, 20-inch x 10 LOW gloss black 5-spoke, STD, power sunroof, octane red pearl coat, engine, 6.4 LV8 SRT HEMA MDS, STD, manufacturer's statement of origin, tires, P295/45 ZR20 BSWS, STD, and black leather trimmed bucket seats included, black seating. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase,